How to change Google language to English? Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments or just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out as well. Now, there can be two instances. The very first instance is the fact that your whole Google profile, so on every single platform, everywhere, is set to a different language, and that has something to do with your actual Google account. The second instance is if only Google Chrome, so in this case, Google Chrome over here, is set to a different language than English, then there's a different way in order to change that. So first, I'm going to show you guys the first method. What you want to do is simply click on your Google profile at the top right corner. Here you want to click on this part under your name. In English, it says manage your Google account, but obviously you have it probably set into a different language. Once you are here, you want to go to the left to personal info. Now it has this icon of sort of like an ID card or a passport. That's where you want to click on. Once this loads up, you want to scroll down, keep on scrolling until you get to this part over here. Other info and preference for Google services. That's what it says over here. And you want to just make sure that your link at the top says personal-info. And then over here, you can already see language. So here you want to click on that. So here you can see the preferred language. It's currently set to English. You want to click on this pen icon, which will open this up over here. And here we can select any language we would like to. And that will change it back to English. Now, the other instance is when only Google Chrome, where I'm currently on, is set to a different language than English. Then how can we actually change that? Well, super easy. You simply want to click on these three dots at the top right corner. Then you want to go to the bottom where it says settings. Then here on the left, we can see languages, downloads, blah, blah, blah. You pretty much just want to check or go to the icon which has this sort of like Earth icon. So you want to click on there. And then here we can see the languages we have. So you want to simply click on add language. And here you can select any language again. Let's say we want to go with African and you click on add. Then currently it is set to the bottom. So in order for this to actually be your new language in Google Chrome, you want to go over here and then display Google Chrome in this language. If you click on there, you can see that it's now set to the top. And in green, it says this language is used to display the Google Chrome UI. And you simply just have to relaunch Google Chrome. And via that way, you have now changed your Google language. So that's pretty much it. That's how to change Google language back to English.